Welcome to this video where I'm going to show you the step-by-step process on how to install and set up your app, Clockify Action Automation for workflow. Once you're in your account, navigate to App Marketplace, search for the app and click on it. Click on Install, choose an account, and click on Continue. Head over to Allow and Install and click on it. Then you're going to have a custom menu page. Click on the custom menu link, switch back to the account, click on Settings. Switch to the account, click on Settings, click on the custom menu links, head over to Create New, insert an icon. Then you give a title and paste the redirect menu link there. Choose a sidebar preference, choose an account. Then you give a role-based visibility and you click on Save. When you are done creating the custom menu link, switch to the account where you added it. Search for the custom menu link and click on it. You're going to see available applications. Search for the app itself and you click on Connect. Then you have the interface of the app with all its necessary features such as the documentation and everything you need to get started with the app is right in here. We have the tutorial video that is going to guide you on how to get the necessary credentials to set up your app. We have the app set up. No worries, let's walk you through on that. Head to the account which we've created online. Click on your profile and you click on Preference. Click on the Advanced and you click on Manage API Keys. Generate a new API and you click on Generate. Copy the API. Head back to the account. Click on Start Setup and you paste. Click on Complete Setup. And your app will be successfully set up and configured. We have the support center where you'll be able to create a ticket and book a call for our support team. We have a changelog feature where you're going to track all updates and improvements made on this app. To receive emails, toggle on the email notification button and enter your email. Then you click on the subscribe. You've learned how to install and set up your app. Our support team is available for more guides and tips. Thanks for watching.